Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change the font style on your iPhone. This simple customization can make your device feel more personalized and easier to read. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness in the Settings menu. Step 3. Look for the text size option and tap on it. Step 4. You'll see a slider that you can adjust to make text larger or smaller. Drag it to your preferred size. Step 5. Go back to the Display and Brightness menu and tap on Text Size and Bold Text. Step 6. Toggle on Bold Text if you want your text to appear bolder. Note that enabling this will restart your iPhone. Step 7. If you want more font options, go back to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, where you'll find additional text customization options. And that's it. While iPhone doesn't let you change to completely different font families like Comic Sans or Arial, these settings allow you to adjust size, weight, and contrast for better readability and personalization. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.